Dear all, welcome to our session on best practices in industrial IoT security from the perspective of Bavaria, the largest state in Germany. My name is Christian Geltinger. I'm the representative of the state of Bavaria in Japan with office in Tokyo. Because Bavaria is the leading manufacturing and industrial region in Europe, the topics of cyber and industrial security receive a lot of attention and investment from our government in partnership with the industry, both manufacturers and security service providers and academia. So it's no surprise that we're already hosting a session at last year's Japan Security Summit with the kind support of Chuzi Sensei. And we had also organized several German-Japanese security forums in Tokyo in partnership with the Security Network Munich. This network is also organizing the annual Munich Cybersecurity Conference on the eve before the Munich Security Conference. Today, it is my honor to introduce to you two of our leading outstanding experts in industrial security. First, Dr. Robert Korone. Korone Hakase acts as coordinator of the ZDB topic platform cybersecurity, which is under the umbrella of bayerninnovativ company in Nuremberg. Nuremberg is also home of the ITSA conference. His mission is to enhance resilience and robustness for Bavarian businesses against cybersecurity threats. He studied electronics and information technology and holds a PhD in medical engineering. He's author and co-author of more than 30 publications and 10 patents. Second, Dr. Thomas Nove acts as Corporate Information Security Officer and responsible for data security for the Krones Group. Krones, headquartered in Regensburg, Bavaria, is one of Germany's hidden champion companies and a world market leader in bottling and filling stations. Nove Hakase studied informatics and economy and got his PhD on collecting and analyzing data about security frauds. He gives regular lectures at the University of Regensburg and at the University for Applied Research in Deggendorf, which is close to a BMW plant. He is a member of the advisory board of the German Alliance for Cybersecurity, deputy chair of the working group Information Security at the German Association for Machinery, VDMA in short, and economics advisor of ZDB platform Cybersecurity. Both will engage in a dialogue in best practices in industrial IoT, ranging from secure remote services to secure operations and apps for remote control. While in times of a pandemic and work from home style, these topics became even more relevant worldwide. So without further ado, let me hand over the floor to our experts, Mr. Korone and Mr. Nove, please.